I'm going to switch back to this eraser and work the hand. Get the highlights up on this again. So we can get the roundness of the palm back. If we were to skip any of these steps and just paint the whole thing with all the colors and then go in at the end and try and do the highlights would look very muddy and they wouldn't be as deep as they are with the layering. When you go and do highlights and color and highlights and color, you get a much deeper look to the highlights. They seem to be translucent rather than just sitting on top of the piece. Okay, we've redefined all our highlights now and come and brought a lot of the hotter areas up, the nose, the forehead, up in here, the lips especially. You can see how it creates the shape of the lips and in the hand. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our third color, which is going to be basically the same thing we did with the pinks. We're going to take our original color and we are going to add some smoke and some violet to it to darken it up. And I talked to you about the importance of keeping on the same palette, and that's what we're doing by using that same skin tone. I'm going to start off by using a transparent smoke. I'm going to add 2 drops of that to about a half an ounce, 3 drops to a half an ounce of the original color, and 1 drop of violet. And these are all transparent colors. 1 drop of violet, a little bit of water, and then we'll test it out on our paper again to see how it looks. We don't want it to do anything strange to our mixture. And you can see the darker color sprayed over the top of the original color, and it gives you a nice shaded area. So we'll go ahead and start working on the darker areas of the face. We'll also use this color to create the shadow of the eye on the eyeball also. In most of the facial areas, we're going to use this very limited. We don't want to get too dark in some of the parts that are not as shaded. We don't want to darken it up too much.